morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all doing?
Fine.
Fine? Yes, very good. Then, had your breakfast, everything?
Yes.
Very good. Then we will move on to the class, children?
Yes.
Yes. So, let us see the date and day. Can you please tell me what's the date and day today?
31 January 2022. Day Monday. Subject English. Topic reading comprehension.
Yes, very good. The subject is English and the topic is reading comprehension. So please take out your English textbook, children. Hope you all done your homework, right? Yes. Yes? Very good. Then we will move on to the page number 35. That is the reading comprehension. Passage 1. Okay, read the story and answer the following questions. A donkey was grazing near a forest. Grazing means eating the grass. Okay, so the donkey is what it is doing? Eating the grass near the forest. He saw a lion's skin lying on the ground. What did he see? Lion's skin. It was lying, means fell down. Okay. So he decided to wear it and act like lion. What he thought? He will wear that lion skin and he will act like a lion. Understood? Yes. Then he thought that everyone would be scared and would listen to him. What he thought? Everybody will be scared of him and they will listen whatever the donkey will say. Okay, like that the donkey thought. Please children, listen carefully. Stop playing there. Yes, he walked into the forest and all the animals thought he was a lion. He walked into the forest. Who? Donkey. And all the animals thought that he is a lion. They were scared also. A clever fox saw him and realized that he was a donkey wearing lion skin. He came to know. Fox is very clever, right? So what fox? Fox realized very quickly that this donkey is wearing the lion skin. Understood? Yes. Then he came to the donkey and said, I am afraid of lions, but I am not afraid of donkey wearing the lion skin. What the fox told her, it came to the near the donkey and it told, it is afraid of lion only, but it is not afraid of a donkey which is wearing the lion skin. Like that the fox told. Then the donkey heard this, got scared and ran away quickly. Yes, it got scared. So the fox has been found, right? That's why if the other animals will see that, it will attack it, right? That's why it got scared and it ran away. Okay. And what is the moral of this? Never act like someone. Okay, never act like someone you are not. When you are not of someone, you have to not act like others. You have your own character, right? So you have to act like yourself only. Understood, children? Yes. Now, answer the questions. What did the donkey see lying on the ground?
The donkey was
Yes, I already written the answer. See, write down. The donkey saw a lion's skin lying on the ground. Okay, that only the donkey saw. Yes? Second one. What happened when the donkey walked into the forest?
When the donkey walked into the forest, he was a lion.
Okay, listen. When the donkey walked into the forest, all the animals thought he was a lion. This only happened, right? Yes, please write down. Next is underline the pronouns and state whether they are subject pronoun or object pronoun. Okay. Pronoun means instead of noun we are using that, right? That is called pronoun. You know very well, right? So you have to underline the pronoun. In the he wore the lion skin. In this, which is pronoun?
Subject.
Very good. He. He is the pronoun. Underline he. H-E-E. Underline. He wore the lion skin. This is a subject pronoun or object pronoun?
Subject pronoun.
Subject pronoun. Because here subject is lion. Correct, no? So it is subject pronoun. Write down subject pronoun. S-U-B-J-E-C-T. Subject.
Man, subject pronoun we should write or he we should write.
Heel, you should underline the he. He is there, no, that you should underline. Then there is a space right there, you will write subject pronoun. Understood? Yes, the animals were scared of him. In this, which is the pronoun? No. Him. Him is pronoun. Now what is this, children? Tell the answer. Him. Him is the pronoun. Underline him. H-I-M, him. Underline that. Then what is this? The animals were scared of him. This is a
Object pronoun.
yes, very good. Object pronoun. Write down object pronoun. Next is turn the page. It's page number 36. They realized that the donkey was wearing a lion's skin. They realized that the donkey was wearing a lion's skin. In this, which is pronoun?
Donkey.
Donkey is a noun. What is this, sir? Which is pronoun? They. T-H-E-Y, they. That is the pronoun, no? Instead of that people and all, we are not telling their names. Instead of them, we are telling they. Right? That is pronoun, not underline. Then they realized that the donkey was wearing a lion's skin. It is a subject pronoun or object pronoun?
Subject pronoun.
Yes. It is a
Subject pronoun.
pronoun.
Finish.
Write down.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Then next fourth one, write two words from the passage that have same meaning as fear. For fear, you have two same meanings in this passage. You have to find it and write, okay? That is your homework, children. Sorry, please mark it as homework. Fifth one also, you have to match the correct meaning also. Okay, so fifth one, match the following also, homework. Then next is passage 2. Read the story and answer the following questions. Okay. One day, two cats found a piece of bread. Okay. One day, two cats have found a piece of bread. A piece means only one piece. Okay. They decided to share it and cut it into halves.
Ma'am, that was came in my TV.
Okay. Listen. Yes. Listen. They decided to share and they will cut and like that they thought. One half of the bread was little bigger than other. When you are cutting off, one has become bigger and one has become lesser. Okay. So the cats started fighting for bigger piece. What the cats did? They started fighting for the bigger piece. Okay. A monkey was passing by. There only the monkey was passing. See, monkey was passing. Then the cats asked him to help them to decide. The cats asked him to help them to decide, okay, who for whom this piece should go, like that. So they started asking monkey help. The monkey was smart and greedy. What? The monkey was smart and greedy. He said, let me help you. What he said? Let me help you. He ate small bites of pieces of bread. He bite that small pieces of bread. Okay, he told the cats that he was making them equal. Why is he biting that and eating, right? Because to make it equality. Like that the monkey told. Yes, the cat saw that the pieces had become very smaller. The pieces become very smaller. Keep on biting, what will happen? It will become smaller, right? Yes, like that. Then we will take the pieces now. Then when it is small now, so that cat told we will take the pieces like that. But the monkey ate all the pieces of bread. All the pieces of bread monkey ate and left and went off. So what is the moral, children? Never trust unknown people with your problems. When you are having some problem, you should not trust others. Okay, with whom you don't know, you have to not trust them. You have to not trust them. Understand? Yes, that is the moral of this story. What did the two cats find? What did the cat do? Two cats find. See, I will write the answer here, children. Write down. The two cats of bread was dashed the road outside of over where that you should write. Choose and write. Don't tell the answer. The
They
monkey.
gave two options, Mama.
Yes. In the two options you have to choose the correct one. The monkey was sitting dash a tree between beside. The monkey put the bread in dash his mouth under or into. You have to choose correct and right. Okay. Write a word from the passage that is the homophone of the word peace. Okay. You should write the peace word homophone. You have to
Ma'am,
write
there's
it.
more exercises.
Yes, so you have to choose and write, okay, from the passage. Next is you have to choose the correct meaning and you have to match it. Okay, so this is your homework. Fill in the blanks and the passage of the piece. Okay, that homophone you have to write. Then match the following. This is your homework. Mark it. Yes. So this is your homework. Okay. Now you understood this, children? Yes. So we completed the textbook, right?
Ma'am,
Yes. Any doubt?
they gave clear command for the children like sentence, ma'am.
No need. Only words you should write. Okay. Only words they are asking. So you have to write only words. Okay. So textbook we have been completed. So please children do your homework classwork regularly. Okay. Yes, and please complete everything in your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and learn also. Don't sit simply. Whatever we are doing daily, you have to learn it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, then we will end up the class here. We will meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye.